Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video, I will show you the skin disease classifier project using machine learning. So this will be the project folder. Let's open it. Now first folder for the archive, that will be the test and training dataset. Those are the dataset. Let's open the training folder. Let's open one by one folder. Now those are the SN and rosacea photos. This is the type of skin disease. Let's open any of the image. That will be a particular type of disease. We have to identify from that particular software. So total 840 images are there. We have to identify those digits. And the second folder, it will around 1149 images are there. Let's scroll down. So we have to train model on that particular images of dataset. This is atopic dermatitis photos. It will be around 489 items. We have to train model from that particular images, and then system can identify that particular disease. Let's go back. Bullous disease photos. It will be type of that particular disease of skin. And the other will be the cellulitis, impetigo, and other bacterial infections. This is eczema photos. It will be around 1235 images. So let's make it fast forwarded. Exanthemes and drug eruption. It will be around 404 images. Let's open any of the image. It will be like that. Let's go back. Now open the hair loss photos and alopecia and other hair disease. It will be type of particular hair disease. Let's go back. Now this will be the herpes, HPV, and other STDs photos. Let's open any of the image. It will be around 405 images. Let's go back. Now this will be the light disease and disorder of pigmentation. It will be around 568 images. Let's go back. Now this lupus and other connective tissue disease. It will be around 420 images. So we have trained model from those images. Melanoma, skin cancer, navy, and moles. Let's open any of the image. It will be a type of disease. Let's go back. Now nail fungus and other nail disease. It will be around 1040 images. Let's go back. Now poison, heavy photos and other contact dermatitis. Let's scroll down. It will be around 260 items. Let's open any of the image. Let's go back. Now psoriasis, picture, lichen, planus and related disease. Let's open any of the image. It will be around 1405 images are there. That particular disease looks like that. Let's go back. Now this will be the scabies, Lyme disease and other infestation and bites. It will be around 431 items. Let's open any of that. It will be like that. Let's go back. Now seborrheic keratosis, and other benign tumors. Let's scroll down. It will be around 1371 images are there. Let's go back. Now it will be the systemic disease. It will be around 606 images are there. Let's open any of the image. This disease look like that. Let's go back. Now the tinea ringworm, candices, and other fungal infections. It looks like that. Let's open any of the image. Okay. It will be around 1300 images are there for training the model. Let's go back. Now urticaria hives. Let's scroll down. It will be around 212 items. Let's open any of the image. It will be like that. Let's go back. Now the vascular tumors. It will be around 482 items are there. Let's open any of the image. It looks like that. Let's go back. Now the vasculitis photos. It will be around 416 images are there. Let's scroll down. So it looks like that. Let's open any of the image. Let's go back. The last one, warts, molluscum, and other viral infections. It will be around 1086 images are there. Let's scroll down. So it looks like that. Let's go back. So this will be the dataset folder, and the other will be the static folder. This will be the templates folder, like index.html. It contains the HTML code, and this will be the CSS file, style.css. Let's close. Now this will be the app.py file, like this will be the main file. Now in the starting, we are importing the libraries like Flask, Torch, Torch Vision, Transformer, VIT for image classification, and VIT feature extractor, Pillow library, and OS. And we are using Flask for creating the graphical user interface. And those are the classes for skin disease, the causes and precaution dictionary. So it will give the detailed description about disease like SN and Rosaic photos. So that will be the particular cause and the precaution. Load feature extractor, load the model, and image processing, process the image and predict the image. Okay, Flask roots. So let's close. And this will be the dataset link. Let's open that particular link, copy that link and paste in browser. Let's paste here and enter. So it will open the dataset link. You can check that data consists of images of 23 type of skin disease taken from that particular link, and total number of images are around 19,500, out of which approximately 50,500 have been split in the training set and the remaining in the test set. Okay, you can see the categories, and those are the folders of dataset. And if you want to download that particular dataset, you have to just click on the download and download the zip. Okay, so let's close that. Close this text file. Now let's open the training file. Now this will be the training code. In the starting line, we are importing the libraries and device configuration, directories. We have to load that particular training and testing folder of dataset and load pretend feature extractor, define image transformation for data augmentation, load dataset, get the classes, load pretend VAT model, define loss and optimizer, training function, and in the ending we are training the model. We have saved the model after training and plot the accuracy and loss graph. Training the epoch, classification report, confusion matrix. So it will generate the graphs, accuracy graph and loss graph, training accuracy and validation accuracy, training loss and validation loss. It will give the classification report, precision recall, F1 score and the support with the different classes, confusion matrix. Now confidence score 98.90%. So let's close. This is the model which we have trained from that particular data set. Okay, so let's run the app.py file. We have to open terminal here. Then click on open in terminal and just write python space app.py. Then enter. Then it will generate one URL. You have to just click on that particular URL with the control. So just click on control and press that link. Then it will open in any browser. AI powered skin disease classifier. We have to upload an image to detect the skin conditions. So let's click on choose file. So we have to choose from that particular data set. Let's double click on the skin disease and it will be dataset folder. Pick it from the training or testing folder. Let's select this folder and select this image. Then click on upload and predict. That will predict the class SN and Rosic photos. Confidence score 98.51%. Cause hormonal changes, stress and bacteria. Precaution: wash face twice daily, avoid oily foods, and use non-comedogenic skincare. Select any other file from different folder. Let's select this folder and select this image. Then click on upload and predict. So it predicted the class astenic keratosis, vessel, cell carcinoma, and other malignant lesions. Confidence score 98.89%. So the confidence score is good. And the cause prolonged sun exposure and genetic factors. Precaution: use sunscreen, wear protective clothing, and avoid excessive sun exposure. So let's click on choose file. Let's upload any other image. Select from that particular folder and let's select this image. Then click on upload and predict. So it predict the atopic dermatitis photos and the confidence score 80.14% and the cause genetic predispositions, immune system dysfunction and environmental triggers. And the precaution: moisture regularly, avoid allergens and use mild soaps. Let's go back. Now select any other file from different folder. Let's select this folder and select that particular image. Then click on upload and predict. So it predict that Willows disease photos and confidence score 95.02% and cause autoimmune disorder causing the skin blistering. Precaution: avoid trauma to the skin, maintain hygiene and follow prescribed medications. So let's choose any other file. Let's select from any other folder. Select from eczema photos. Let's select this image and then click on upload photos. Now it will predict the class eczema photos and confidence score 98.47%. The cause genetics, allergens, and dry skin. Precaution: moisturize daily and triggers, and use mild fragrance free soaps. So let's select any other image from different folder. So we can check the accuracy of that particular project. Let's select this image and then click on upload and predict. So the predicted class is accent themes and drug absence. Confidence score 68.37% and the cause allergies reaction to medications or viral infections. Precaution: identify and avoid allergens, drugs, consult doctor for alternative treatments. Let's select any other image from different folder. Let's select from this particular folder and select this image. Then click on upload and predict. So it will identify the predicted class as hair loss photos, alopecia, and other hair disease. Confidence score 92.96%. Causes genetics, stress and hormonal imbalances. Precaution: maintain a healthy diet, avoid excessive hairstyling, and manage stress. So let's select any other image from different folder. Let's select this folder and select that particular image. Then click on upload and predict. So to identify the predicted class is herpes, HPV, and other STD photos, and the confidence score 90.74%. Cause: viral infection transmitted through contact. And the precaution: practice safe, maintain hygiene, and get vaccinated if possible. Let's choose any other file from different folder. Let's select this folder and select this image. Then click on upload and predict. So it predict light disease and disorder of pigmentation. Confidence score 95.92%. Cause: sun exposure, genetics, or autoimmune disorders. Precaution: use sunscreen, wear protective clothing, and consulting a dermatologist. Let's select last more image from different folder. Let's select this folder and select that particular image. Then click on upload and predict. So it predict the seborrheic keratosis and other benign tumors. Confidence score 98.937%. Cause: aging, genetics, and sun exposure. Precaution: monitor skin changes, use sunscreen, and seek medical evaluation for growth. So let's end this video here. We'll again continue with the next session. And if you're in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. And if you want that particular project, then you can contact us on WhatsApp as well. I will provide the contact number in description. And if you are searching entire project ideas for computer science domain, then I'll provide the project list in the video description. And we are working on multiple domain like Python, Java, Android, machine learning, deep learning, AI, neural network, OpenCV, Django, React.js, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, PHP, and many more. This will be the WhatsApp number. Okay, let's scroll down. So those are the projects we have developed yet. If you want to see that particular project demo, then just click on that and we'll open the YouTube video. Let's click on the YouTube video. You can check the complete video. These are the hardware and software requirement. Contact us for more queries and the checkout related projects. Let's go back. If you want to see the any other project, let's click on the breast cancer prediction system. And if you click on that particular play video, it will play the YouTube video. Okay. Here are some advantages of breast cancer detection, software requirement, hardware requirement, and contact us for more queries. So let's end this video here. We'll again continue with the next session. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.